Hello my dear children, welcome to the maths class of standard 3. Today we are continuing the chapter 3 numbers. So dears, today we are going to discuss expanded form of 4-digit numbers. So let's discuss about expanded form of 4-digit numbers. So before starting the new topic, we will revise or we will discuss the answers of the homework questions. Okay, so let's move to the class. Homework answers. The first question, write the number name. The first number is 1572, that is 1572. Okay, now the second one, 3021. Number name is 3021. 3021. Now the third one, 7890. That is 7890. 7890. Okay. Now the next one, write the numeral for the following. Okay. So first question, 9900. How to write 9900? That is 9900. Now the next one, 6008. How to write 6008? That is 6008. Here the hundreds place and tens place both are not given. So you can put the 0 there. Okay, so the number is 6008. That is 6008. Now the next one, 5441. How to write 5000? So 5 in the first position, 400. So 4 in the second position, 41. 4 and 1 in the last two places. Okay, so 5441 is the numeral for this number name. Got it, children? Okay. Now the next homework question, and that is represent the following numbers on the place value chart. So the numbers are 4522, that is 4522, and second one 8999. How to read? 8999. These two numbers you have to arrange in a place value chart. Okay, so for that you draw a place value chart with 4 columns, and in the rightmost column it is ones place, and then tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. Okay, then you can arrange the given number in this columns, that is 4 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, and 2 in ones place. Okay, and then again 8 in thousands place, 9 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. So this way you can arrange this given numbers in a place value chart. Got it, children? I hope everybody got the same answers. Right? Okay. Now we are moving to today's topic. Expanded form. Today's topic is expanded form. So children, in the previous classes we learned how to write a number name for a 4-digit number, how to write a numeral for a given number name, and how to arrange that number on a place value chart. These all topics we discussed. So today's topic is expanded form of a 4-digit number. Okay, so first you tell me, what is the expanded form? Yes, the form in which a number is written as the sum of the place values of its digits is called its expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form means the form in which a number is written as the sum of its place value. Okay, sum of its place value of the digit is called the expanded form. Okay, let's check how we can do. So for example, I am taking a number 3746. Which number is this? 3,746. So we know the place value of each digit, isn't it? Okay, so we are taking the place value of each digit and then we are putting plus symbol between them to get the expanded form. Okay, so how to write? First, 3 is in thousands place, isn't it? 3 is in thousands place. So we can write 3 as 3,000s. Okay, so 3,000s. So children, here 3 is in thousands place. So we can write 3,000s plus 3,000s plus then 7 is in hundreds place. So the place value is 700s. So we can write 700s plus then 4 is in tens place. So we can write 4 tens. Okay, 4 tens plus then 6 plus then 6 in ones place, isn't it? So we can write 6 ones. Okay, this is the expanded form of this number. What is it? 3,000s plus 700s plus 700s plus 4 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, or in another way we can write it as 3,000s. What is 3,000s? 3,000s are 3,000. How we can write? 3,000, 3,000, isn't it? Now plus 700s. 700s are 700. 7 into 100, 700. So 700 plus then 4 tens. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. So you can write 40, 40. Then 6 ones. 6 ones are 6. So you can write 6 here. Got it, children? So how we can write in short? We can write it in short as 3,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this number. Clear, children? Okay, now look at the next one, next question, that is 6,307. 6,307. So how to write this number? Yeah, first you write with the place value, that is 6 is in thousands place. So how we can write it? Yeah, 6, we can write it as 6,000s plus 6,000s plus then how many hundreds? 300s. So 300s plus then how many tens? Here the tens place is having a digit 0. So you can place 0 there. So 0 tens. You can write 0 tens. If you are not writing that place, no problem. It will be a 0. Okay. So no need to, if you don't want, then you no need to write that number there. Okay. Then next place is ones place. So which number is there? 7. So 7 ones plus 7 ones. Now let's write this in short. So 6,000s are 6,000. So 6,000, 6,000 plus then 300s. 300s are 300. How to write? 300. 300 plus then 0 tens. That place is 0. No need to write. Now next is 7 ones. So 7 ones are 7. So you can write 7. So how to write the place? Expanded form. That is 6,000 plus 300 plus 7. This is the expanded form of this number. Got it, children? So always remember the expanded form means writing each digit with its place value and writing each digit as a sum means by using the plus symbol with the place value of each digit. Okay, that is the expanded form. Always remember. Okay, so let's discuss some more questions of expanded form. Okay, children. Children, here are some questions. Expand the following numbers. Expand the following numbers. Some numbers are given here. You have to expand these numbers. First number 1623. Children, first you tell me how to read this number. Yes. 1 is in thousands place, isn't it? So 1623. This number is 1623. So children, if you have any doubt in writing expanded form of the number, then you can do it easily by using a way. Do you know what is that? You can draw a rough place value chart of this number first. Okay, and after that, from the place value chart, you can write the expanded form. Okay, so let's do like that. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, because it's a 4-digit number, so we are drawing a 4-column place value chart. Okay, now the first number, that is 1623. So 1000s are here, 600s are here, 2 tens are here and 3 ones. So let's arrange 1, 6, 2, 3. Okay, look children. Now you can easily write the expanded form because 1 is in thousands place. That is 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 is 1000. Okay, so you can write 1000 plus. Okay, then look at the next place, 6 in hundreds place. So 600s. 600s are 600. 600. So you can write 600 plus. Now next is 2. 2 is in tens place. So 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. So you can write 20 plus. One more place is there. Which is that? Yeah, that is 3. 3 is in the place of ones. So how many ones are here? 3 ones. 3 ones are 3. Okay. So 20 plus 3. This is the expanded form of the first number. How it is? 1000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. This is the expanded form of the first number. Now let's discuss the expanded form of the second number. So it is 3590. That is 3590. So let's arrange this number also in the place value chart first. Okay. So 0 in ones place, then 9 in tens place, and 5 in hundreds place, and 3 in thousands place. So we got the place value chart of the next number. Okay. Now you look 3 in thousands place. My dears, when we are expanding a number, you have to start from the biggest place. Okay, you have to start from the biggest place, not from the ones place. You have to start from bigger place. Okay, that is from the thousands place you can write a expanded form. Okay, so here 3 in thousands place. So the number is 3 into 1000. That is 3000. 3000s plus then 5 in hundreds place. So 500s are 500. So 500. 500 plus. Now the next number. 9 is in tens place. So 9 tens. 9 tens are 90. So you can write 90. 90 plus. Then 0 in ones place. It is 0. So how to write? Oh yeah, if you want you can put a 0 there to show that nothing is there. Or if you are leaving at this place, this also right. Okay, so I'm just writing that there's 3000 plus 500 plus 90. Okay, this is the expanded form of this number. Got it, children? Now move to the next one. 8732. Okay, so let's write this in the place value chart. Okay, so 8, 7, 3, 2. 8 is in thousands place, 7 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, and 2 is in ones place. So let's write the expanded form. Okay, so 8 in thousands, that is 8 thousands. 8 thousands are 8,000. So write 8000, 8,000 plus. Now next 700. 700s are 700, isn't it? 700, 700. So 700 plus. Then next one 3 tens. 3 tens are what is that? 30. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 tens are 30. Okay. So write 30 plus last number is 2. Okay. 2 ones. 2 in ones column. That is 2 ones. 2 ones are 2. Okay. So answer is 2. So the expanded form of this number is 8,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, so this way we can write the expanded form of the given number. Got it, children? Okay. So my dear children, I hope today's concepts are clear for you. Now, these are your notebook works. First, you write the heading expanded form in your notebook and write the notes which is given in the class. That is, which is written on the whiteboard. You can copy it to your notebook. After that, you write all the questions which are discussed in today's class to your notebook. Okay, dears? Is it clear? So, everyone do the activities today itself and send to me. Okay, I'm winding up. Thank you.